So this is just taking a look at the different components. Like I said, it's really important that things like, this is an air compressor. These are the Zolite towers that filter out the nitrogen. These are just some controls from an existing concentrator, and the oxygen tank, air valve, flow splitter, things like that would be purchased from Accurate Biomet. And then things like casters, wheels, mounting brackets, nuts and bolts would be purchased from a local distributor, probably as close to MSF New York as possible, so they can put it in a durable plastic crate and ship that to Niger, whether they're actually traveling with the product or just shipping it to their setup in Niger. Doesn't really make a difference. So, like I said, the Doctors Without Borders setup in Niger, would be responsible for the distribution, and they've been involved. They've been active in Niger since 1985, so they're very familiar with kind of the medical landscape there, and they might also know exactly which hospitals are in need of these concentrators and how to get them to them. So, like I said, they would be packaged in the durable plastic crates in New York and sent to Niger. So this is an example of an assembly instruction, just a page from a book or a pamphlet that would come with the product. And you would be, using the instructions, you would be able to assemble the entire unit using only simple hand tools, drill, saw, nuts and bolts, screwdriver, and wrench. And one of the key features of this design is that the packaging becomes the housing for the new medical device. And that's a way of kind of unifying the actual device, so when they're distributed to different hospitals in Niger, there's a uniformity so they can talk to each other about potential maintenance operations or repairs. So I called this the AOS, O2 concentrator, which is assemble on-site oxygen concentrator. And just some of the key features are just how all the components kind of are designed to fit into existing over-the-shelf durable plastic container. The main features of the design are just heavy-duty construction, something that's lasts, something that's rugged, has kind of like a utilitarian look to it, and something that could be portable, could be stable on dirt, soil, any type of ground, and it has the really only functionality of the concentrator is a flow regulator and the oxygen out valve. So I'm hoping that the steps that I've taken would enable this product to be sold to rural hospitals in Niger at about 25% the cost of a brand new top-of-the-line concentrator in the United States without sacrificing any of the functionality or performance. Thank you.
Can you tell us how, I don't know enough about these, so how many people can be hooked up to a concentrator?
You can hook up 4 patients.